Okay, I'm currently doing this application here is a subscription tracker. So right now, this is what I have. So I have this welcome screen where you're displayed with these two buttons. The get started button that will uh, send you to the to the to the sign up flow, and this I have an account that will send you to the sign in flow. So let's see both of them. If you go to get started, you'll be asked for the sign up method, your preferred method. You can sign up with Apple, Google, Facebook, or sign up with email. I I'm just doing the UI, so I have just done the implementation of this. So okay, you have to enter your email address and your password. You have this validator that the field is required, and it validates with a regex with a regular expression if the email is valid or not. So email.com. So it's valid now, and the password have has some requirements. It must be 8 characters or more. It should include at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, and at least one number. So if you put something like ABC, it will just fulfill the lowercase requirement. If you put 1, 2, 3, it will fulfill two of the requirements, the lowercase and the number, but you're missing the 8 characters by two and the uppercase. So if I put again AB, I'll fit three requirements. You can see in the progress bars that is a widget I did from scratch. It was cool. But there are no uppercase. So I don't mind if I put a lot of letters. There are no more uppercase. So I'll do ABC 1, 2, 3, A and B. So I feel two of the, I mean, four of the requirements, right? I don't have any more here. I mean, if you click here, it won't happen anything, but you have to go to the sign in flow. It's same thing here, just that you have this remember me option. That's it. Um, and you can go and sign. I repeat, I'm just doing the UI. So here we have some things to show. We have like this circular progress indicator that is not actually a circle, like a full circle. So I thought the circular progress indicator widget would allow me to limit the scope of the like I mean the circumference. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but no, it's not possible. So I had to use the custom paint. I think it's name the semicircle. Um, yeah, I mean the custom painter. I had to use it. So I had to use a custom painter. So I'm painting a line like a arc. It's called here a arc from the P number times 0.7. So it's like P is right here. So for 0.7 is like the 70% is like here, like in the position I needed, like just here. From there to P plus times 1.6. So is P, I mean, P is in the other side. I mean, I can show you. It's, uh, I don't know, here. So P is here. So from P times 0.7 to P times 1.6. It goes, I think, in. in the cloud direction. I don't, I just did like the duplication here. But okay, so right. So I'm showing this inside of it with a stack widget. I'm showing the with the logo, the turquoiser, the spend spending for this month, this button, here a row of these custom cards. I don't know. For this little line in the upper border, I also had to use the custom painter. It's card. Um, I think this one. I had to use again the custom painter. So yeah, to do this little border decoration. Here I'm not using any arc, just a line. From the 20% more from the border. So you have the border, you come 20% more, you start the line, decoration line by the color, you go till the 80%. So you have like a, mm, let's say 20% padding from left and right. So that's how it works, basically. It has a stroke with the one. Okay, how far? Let's say that's it. So here we have these two lists. I made from scratch again. This like page switcher is really simple actually. Uh, where is it? I don't even know the name. It's like page selector. Okay. So basically it's a stateful widget because it needs to change. We have the current page integer. We have a function that is when the page changes because we want to return the value as a callback to the parent widget that is a home screen itself. So the the method is, I mean, the method, the function, however, it just calls set state, and mm, the new current page will be the page that you pass to the function. It's just that, and then it calls the callback, and as value it passes the new current page. It's just that. I mean, it updates its state and tells its parent that is a home screen that hey, the new list is this one with this index. That's it. The new page, but it's just a list. Okay, so it returns a like a container with some background color, the border radius, some padding, and you have a row that has two page text button that are custom buttons that I made. And they return change page, in this case for page 0, in this case for page 1. So this is a custom page text button. It receives the name, the index, the current index is the index of that button, like which page that button represents. And the current is the current selected page. So if they're the same, you highlight that page text button, like you can see here. If it's not the same, you keep it like this, like a grayish color, like a little bit darker, no background, you know. So yeah, here are some styles, some conditional styles. Yeah, it's just that. We have these lists. I'm using other widgets. I'll not enter into details here because I don't think it's necessary. They're just list styles. With here, the leading is a SVG picture.asset widget, a text, other text, some decoration for the list style. Um, yeah, like a border radius, a little bit padding, and that's it. And here is almost the same, just that here's not an SVG, but a container, some padding, and a background color, and a color with the month and the date of that I mean with of that bill. Like yeah, that's it. So I should include some white space here, probably. Okay, so I just did this custom navigation bar, like bottom bar, using this package here, circle navbar. I just literally, I just copied this example, this example, and started like customizing it, just changing some values, some icons, because I don't want it. I mean, the way this works is that if I, for example, click the home screen will be highlighted with that orange-ish color, like the circle with move to the house icon and to the home icon, and it will be highlighted. But I don't want it to work that way. I want the the plus button is always highlighted because that's the way this design that I is as inspiration works. It's just always highlighted this, and you can navigate pressing these other icons. That's it. So it's not quite the same thing because I don't know how to change this middle icon size. I don't know. So it looks kind of weird, but I think for now it's just enough. So next thing I want to do, I'll see how long is the video. 11 minutes is okay. Next thing I want to do is um, make this navigation work. So I already created the screens. They're just like empty screens with a center widget that has a text with the screen name, just for now. Then I will design all the other screens. It's just for now to see if the bottom navigation bar is working properly. So, okay, I'll work in that. So I already have the home screen, budget screen, calendar screen, payment screen. And how I make this work? I don't, I mean, this has this, mm, where is it? I don't have it yet. Okay, so, change, change it. So we have a change it method. I mean, it's supposed to be like that. Okay, I'll put some a little bit here. On change it on top. Same thing on top. Mhm. So okay, I have the index. Okay, let's think a little bit. Mm, In the I can have like an if if because I'm not using a page view in the home. Like the home screen is not a page view. There are different screens because I want to keep it like that, like individual screens, not a page view. I don't really like that. The only page view I have is this one, like for the this list. So I want to put some could be a switch, probably switch for the index, and then case 0 add router. I'm using add router for routing. Yeah, go. I haven't created the the the, the routes, go routes. I'll make it just there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3. I'm using like a different keyboard as usual. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If we're gonna have to really count. Okay. zero, um, one, and four. So if it's zero, it will just navigate to the home screen. Like if it would, in the case, it's the home screen. Um, but okay, how was this called in English? Yeah, quotes? No, it's not quote. I don't know. So, to be budget, this will be um, what's the next? For add subscription. Um, fourth would be calendar. And last one would be payments. Yeah, right. So let's create these routes. So there are four. One, two, three, four. Um, First one, mm, the budget. It's to return. I haven't used it in Barrel 5. I always use Barrel 5. Just simplifies a lot. Screens here. So I have to budget, budget, budget screen, export, calendar, calendar, export. What was it? Um, I don't remember. Payment, payment, payment. What else? Home screen, budgets, calendar, payment, and the um, ad subscription. I haven't created it, so uh, subscription. We'll have this. I want to be like to a like a bottle sheet is called. Okay, but I'll do this there. Add subscription stream start. I put N, have this shortcut, state plus. It will be add subscription with a little center that has as a child text. Whoa, the child text that says add subscription screen. And this can be constant. Okay. Um, export add subscription. That's okay. Done. So budgets would be budget screen. Next would be calendar. And add subscription. I really have some trouble with that subscription. Add subscriptions me. Then calendar. Oh, calendar screen. Print. The good thing about borrow files is this. I'm just doing one input. I mean, they go router input and one part. Even though I have like 8 strings probably. So it helps for the readability, sustainability, and whatever ability you want. Okay, done. Okay, so budget, subscription, calendar payments. Okay, I'll do a full restart the app, like for it to load the new go routes. Ah, so here, sign in. Okay, let's try. Okay, perfect. It's supposed to be like that. Um, I would really like a callback button, but it's just fine. Okay, so budgets work. Um, and okay, but think about it. It would be I don't know. There I can call just like here, and I say that current page is example one, two, three, or four, and I change it. I'm not really using this. I am not really using this, so I can remove it here and here and here. Fine. And okay, fine. Well, okay. Sconce. Okay, this sconce. And this. Okay. Calendar screen, perfect. And last one, I missed the ad ad subscription screen. Okay, not working. Why? Why? Hmm. Payment screen. Because it's the current screen. So maybe the way the package works is that it just like returns the index when it's not the current index. Interesting. So I have to figure out how can I do this. It would be doing something a little bit crazy, like this is active icon. This like wrap this SVG into a gesture detector. I don't know if this will work. Seems to be working. Okay, gesture detector, and the on top would be. I mean, I know that if I press the middle icon, like this plus icon, it will always be navigate to the add subscription. So I can this. I guess I don't know. So let's try work. Okay, perfect. So that will be for this video. I mean, these videos are just for documenting the process. I wanna watch them like 2 years when I'm a hyper successful programmer, even I don't know, freelancer working for a US company, I don't know, or making my own apps, developing or doing, I don't know, making courses, something like that. And also for practicing my English skills and my explaining while doing skill. Because when I have in the future a coding interview, like a technical interview, I will have to do something similar to this with less help, I guess, but I will have to tell the interviewer like, okay, I'm going to do this because of that. This is the condition. Do you know this? I don't really know how it works because I have never done it. But okay, that's like the thing with these videos are for me. They are for me for practicing, like putting a little bit of pressure on my shoulders, improving my English, my vocabulary, my pronunciation, my fluency overall. So that's it for this video. I'll keep it. I'll keep them like 20 minutes and like ish. That's it. Let's try in another video to have a little bit of progress with the user strings. So bye.